In this video, I will tell you about the most common uses of the verb tener in Spanish. As it is an irregular verb, we are going to start with its conjugation. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella, usted tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. And now, let's start with the expressions with tener. By the way, to practice this topic, I have prepared a special PDF file with all the tener expressions and some practice for it. You can find it in my PDF library. I will leave the link below. And the first expression is tener años, to be years old. Él tiene 30 años. He is 30 years old. Number 2. When we talk about our physical condition, that we are hungry, sleepy, thirsty, we use tener. Tengo hambre, I'm hungry. Tengo sed, I'm thirsty. Tengo sueño, I am sleepy. Tener hambre, tener sed, tener sueño. We can also tener frío, to be cold, or tener calor, to be hot, or we can tener miedo, to be scared. Él tiene miedo de las arañas. He is scared of spiders. You can also tener suerte, to be lucky. Nosotros no tenemos suerte. We are not lucky. And tener is also used when we are right. Tener razón. Nosotros tenemos razón. We are right. Then, tener cuidado, to be careful. Ten cuidado, be careful. Tener prisa, to be in a hurry. Yo siempre tengo prisa. I'm always in a hurry. And the last very important one, tener éxito, to be successful. ¿Tienes éxito? Are you successful? Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you soon.